this diagram that consists of two triangles. We have triangle PQR. There's also triangle QSR. Okay, so we are given that PR is equals to 26, and then we are given that PQ is 24, QR is 10, SR is 6, QS is 8. And then the theta, angle P, so we have angle P, R, Q. This angle here is a theta. All right. So the first thing we are required to solve without using a calculator is we have to determine tangent of angle P. Let's see, where is this angle P? It's that one over there. Angle P is over here. Okay, and then we know that tangent is opposite over adjacent. So what is opposite this angle P? That is side QR, which is 10. And then what is adjacent angle P? It is this side PQ, which is 24. All right. So 2 goes 5 times into 10, and 2 goes 2 times into 24. Therefore, tangent of P is equals to 5 over 12. Secondly, we are required to find sine of SQR. All right. So with this one, let's determine where is sine SQR. It's going to be SQR. So it's this angle here, the letter that is between S and R. So we know that sine is opposite over a hypotenuse side. So what is opposite this side, this angle SQR? It's the magnitude or the number 6. The hypotenuse is always the side that is facing the 90-degree angle, which is at S there. And then that is side QR, which is equals to 10. So 2 goes into 6 3 times, and 2 goes into 10 5 times. Therefore, sine SQR is equals to 3 over 5. Next, we have to find cos of theta. So theta is there, it's part of R. It is part of R in triangle PQS. All right. So cos is adjacent over a hypotenuse, a car. And then what is adjacent with this theta? It's side QR, which is equals to 10. And then in that triangle, angle 90 is here. So the hypotenuse will be the side that is opposite angle 90, which is 26. So let's simplify this. 2 goes 5 times into 10, and 2 goes 13 times into 26. So cos theta is equals to 5 over 13. And then next we have sec SRQ. We have to find the sec of SRQ. Okay, let's go get that angle. So SRQ is the angle over here. All right. So what is sec? sec is a reciprocal of a cos. So that means sec will be cos of SRQ. So that would mean that whatever we find of cos, we're going to reciprocate in order to get sec. So we know by now that cos is an adjacent over a hypotenuse. So let's check what's adjacent to this purple angle here. That is going to be side SR, which is equals to 6. And then what's at hypotenuse? That will be the side that is opposite the 90-degree angle, which is QR, and that is a 10. So cos of SRQ is equals to 3 over 5. Therefore, cosec will then be equals to the reciprocal of the cos. So if cos is 3 over 5, that means cosec is 5 over 3. So next, we are required to simplify. Let me see if I have enough space for that. We are required to simplify cot theta over cosec QRS. QRS. So we know that we're going to find the reciprocals here. So cot is a reciprocal of a tangent. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. That means cot will be adjacent over opposite. Cosec is a reciprocal of sine. So sine, we know that it's an opposite over hypotenuse. Therefore, cosec will be hypotenuse over the opposite. So we just take in the reciprocals of the actual trig functions. The adjacent side of sine of angle theta is side QR, which is equals to a 10 over the opposite side of angle theta is side PQ, which is equals to a 24. I will just reduce this and name this, make this a division. And then the hypotenuse side of QRS, let's go QRS, it's my purple angle there. We are looking for the hypotenuse side of QRS. So the side always facing the 90-degree angle, it's QR, which is 10 over, and then we also want the opposite side of that angle, which is QS, and then it's 8. Okay, we know by now in mathematics we can change that division and make it a multiplication, but then the next fraction has to reciprocate. So now the next fraction will be 8 over 10 because we changed this division to a multiplication. So 10 cancels with 10. Then we are left with 8 over 24. Let's simplify it. So the answer is 1 over 3.